Ready.
My name is Alton Grady. My project here today is leading a power source with three-way switches controlling a light. Now what you do is, how I start off, you gotta splice these two right here. And always have your ground wires to the ground. Always gotta have them ground.
Go.
So what I'm saying, you gotta splice these two whites together. Stop! Splice these two whites clockwise, not counterclockwise, clockwise. That twist game. I spliced it, all the whites. Well, not that one obviously, but all the whites. That's what you're supposed to do. And second of all, connect the black wire and hook it. When you hook it, you have to basically, the part that screws on tightly, that's the face, you're supposed to face the hook on, basically. Ground screws are spliced together. Hook the ground screw, connect it to right here. Now I gotta get started. Like this. And then how I do it sometimes, I twist it on a little bit to know what side is it on. If it's on the right side or the wrong side. You see, fucked up. And I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, connect the red wire to this side right here. What you gotta do is you gotta splice it. How I do it, I use the 14 hole.
Go.
Sorry, I mean hook. My bad. I didn't even say splice. I meant hook. Alright, I gotta kind of think.
Okay.
Are you ready? Okay, back to what I was saying. So yeah, how I do, I usually like right here.
Blast off.
So yeah, so right now what I'm doing is I'm putting the hook right into this three-way switching right here. And then I tighten it like this. Also mention that make sure your Romex connectors are tight and the nails are facing you. And make sure these are 4 inches apart. Ready?
Yeah.
So what I do usually before I put all the box, before I put like all the switches in, I usually unscrew all the bolts because like I don't want to do all the extras. And don't forget to splice these. Let me get a piece for this.
Yeah.
That's how I do it right there. I use the lineman. You could use your hands if you want to. Like I've seen people use their hands with it. And then I like using these. They're perfect. Tighten this as much as possible. Like all of them. And then
Go.
so yeah, this is what I do when I have extra wires be like that, because I don't like them hanging out the box. That's me. Anyway. Thank you, Giovanni.
Okay. No problem.
Well, that's the first time you do a hook with this hand.
I figured out how you're supposed to do a cartwheel now. You're supposed to see your own.
Do it on the camera. Do it on the camera. Oh, I wasn't beginning. Okay.
Still on me, man? Yeah. Now we collect the light. Now as you see right here, so basically, obviously, white will go in white, black will go in black, ground is already grounded in, screwed. Screwed. Anyway, so now what we do here, connect black, black, and white, white. This will be connected to the power source, ground with ground. Due to the fact that this is short. Anyway. Yeah. Oh, I didn't see you there. Right now we're doing the power source. As you see, I grounded it. I grounded this and this. Yeah.
Go.
You're a dirtbag.
It looks like I'm filming a porno when I'm on top of you.
Ready?